that I made in the beginning of my weight loss journey was hiding. I hid my body in baggy clothes. I hid from mirrors, scales, pictures. I hid from the outside world and barely wanted to leave my house. And unfortunately, by hiding, I was shielding myself from the truth. And the truth was I had really let myself go. I had gained over 50 pounds. And by not facing the truth, I didn't think the situation was as bad as it was. And because I didn't think it was as bad as it was, I didn't feel this urgency to change it or make a move. And if you are somebody who's struggling to get motivated and actually stay consistent in the beginning here, I would urge you to stop hiding. Get on the scale, take some pictures, stare at yourself naked in the mirror, and put on some tighter clothes and face the reality of where you are right now in the face. Like, just stare at it. And that way you will realize how bad it is, how deeply you need to fix this, and then you will be more in pain, and pain is one of the biggest motivators to get us off of our butts. So face reality, stop hiding, and that might just be the kick you need to actually make a first step instead of just thinking about making a first step.